Friends, I'm Fresh Mishra and today we are going to talk about plant benefits. So let's get started. Plants are the essential part of the life on the earth because they have huge benefits and uses that range from breathing air to materials in our home. Plants also provide us as food, medicines, fruits, vegetables, clean air, etc. They are the foundation of human civilization and ecosystem. Pla- Humans are dependent on plants for every generation for food and medicines and plants have also provided clean air and also scrub the atmosphere pollutant. One should plant trees on a large number of scale. Thank you very much.